Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about the Nike Dunk Low City Markets. Just came out about a week ago. Got a pair in my hand, so I had to bring it to the channel so you guys can see it. But before we do that, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys will be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. And don't forget, if you guys want to buy any of the Penny for Your Thoughts you see me wearing in this video, like this hat I got on, it's on sale right now. You guys can just head over to the website, and the website is p4yt2016.com. I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get into these shoes. Here you guys go. Nike Dunk Low City Market. Let's get straight into the shoe. As you guys can see, this shoe is inspired by coffee bags and rice bags. So all the materials all over the shoe are made from what coffee bags are made of and what rice bags are made of. So it's like a lot of the materials feel a little weird. So I'm just gonna tell you guys the colors. So on the toe box here, you have a red with yellow writing here on the top of the toe box here, and on the bottom you have some yellow stuff down here. You have a white outside of the toe box here, or going all over. You have stuff here from like Blue Ribbon Sports. That's what Nike was before it became Nike. It used to be Blue Ribbon Sports, and they only really made running shoes because in Oregon they do a lot of running and stuff like that, so they only really made running shoes. You come over here to the tongue, you have a clear tongue here, has a zipper on the tongue, comes with a bag in the inside of here. I'll give you guys a look on the bag. Come over here to the side of the shoe, you have more of the old Blue Ribbon marketing stuff that they use, Nike sportswear. You have a clear swoosh here, you have yellow and black. This material feels like those rough bags that rice or coffee comes in. You have blue here with a little yellow outlining. Then you have the green bag here, feels like a bag in here. Slide over to the back. Right here on the back, right here, you have Nike with the clear right here. Slide over here, you have blue, yellow. You have a little bit of red, another clear swoosh. Beige inside of here with the blue ribbon, of course, and then I already described this part to you guys. I think this is a good dunk. Like it shows a lot of love to the grocery stores and stuff like that holds a lot of essentials that we need to eat. A lot of people drink coffee. I love to drink coffee. A lot of people love rice. A lot of people make rice and stuff like that. So these bags that they used to use back in the days to hold this stuff in really was essential to to life, man. A lot of people had these bags in their house. A lot of stores, supermarkets, that's why I believe the shoe is called City Market. But I think Nike did a great job with showing homage to Blue Ribbon Sports. A lot of people don't know the history of Nike, so when they do things like this, it kind of brings awareness to Blue Ribbon Sports and Oregon and things like that. I actually been to the Nike campus and stuff like that, so when you go there, they tell you a story about how how Nike came about and and stuff like that. I went there like maybe about 4 or 5 years ago, so I don't really remember everything that they were saying. They're doing a great job of bringing the dunks back. A lot of great dunks, a lot of OG colorways been coming out, a lot of classic ones has been coming out, man. And I think they did good. What they're bringing to the table these days are just good. It's like they're trying new things, man, and it's kind of working out, man. I think these are clean, man. What you guys think, man? I know they sold out pretty fast. They going for about 500 right now, so people love them. Yeah, but y'all know what time it is. It's time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, I'm gonna have to keep it all the way trail with y'all, man. I'm gonna give these joints, man. I'm gonna give these 4 out of 5 pennies because you know, everything that they got going on, the homage that they paying to the grocery stores and stuff like that, and the homage that they paying to Blue Ribbon Sports, it brings awareness and everything like that. So I like what they doing here, man. But if you disagree, you feel like the rating is too high, leave it in the comments below, and you know we'll talk about it in the comments, man. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.